Hello everyone. Today we are gonna talk about new Citroen C4 and EC4. So let's start. New 2021 Citroen C4 all-electric EC4 join petrol and diesel option. The new look Citroen C4 abounds its hatchback roots for an SUV-like look, while an all-electric EC4 joins petrol and diesel powertrain in the lineup. This is the all-new Citroen C4, the first model from Citroen to be offered with the choice of a diesel or petrol powertrain, as well as fully electric option, which will be badged EC4, with the regular hatchback market suffering in the wake of the SUV boom. Citroen has taken a different approach with its new C4, as revealed by Auto Express earlier in the year. The VW Golf and Ford Focus rival has morphed into a crossover. Speaking to Auto Express, Citroen CEO Vincent Cobby told us how the segment needed reinventing. I would agree that the C segment has been a fairly traditional sector and is probably ripe for changes. Cope explained. One idea is to find the proper balance between off-road ability and versatility and comfort, better access, and better visibility, as there are probably also a need for more spice in the style. The new C4 borrows styling cues from the larger C5 Air Cross SUV, as well as the 19 concept that was revealed as a preview of the future of Citroen design. It is an influence can be seen in the head and tail light design of the new C4. The images also reveal both petrol and electric version of the C4, and clearly so that whichever powertrain buyers choose, the look of the crossover will be identical, with the expectations of blue detailing on the badge of the EC4. If we talk about Citroen C4 and EC4 engines and powertrains, we can see that the C4 and EC4 has launched with a total of 3 petrol, 1 diesel and 1 electric powertrain option. However, not all are likely to be made available to UK buyers. Petrol option including Citroen's PureTech 1.2 liter 3-cylinder engine in 3 state of tune 99 or 128 or 153 bhp. All model will be front wheel drive, while the more powerful version will be offered with an 8-speed automatic gearbox. The only diesel option will be 101 bhp 1.5 liter, which can head with a 6-speed manual or 8-speed automatic. The EC4 makes use of a 50 kilowatt per hour battery that will power an electric motor, developing 135 bhp on the front axle. Citroen claims the EC4 can cover 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 9.7 seconds. Hit a top speed of 93 mph and covered 217 miles on a single charge. Using a 100 kilowatt fast charging station will stress the battery to 80% in just 30 minutes. While a domestic 7 kilometer wall box charger takes a little over 7 hours. Take a look at this awesome car, guys. If you like it, please let me know in the comment section. So today you are comparing Honda Civic Type R, second Hyundai Veloster and performance, Volkswagen Golf R.
And then I think about myself and I stayed. I'm a pretty boss, look on my shit bright white. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you.
Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, hit subscribe button, like button. Thank you. Bye bye.